Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today I'm going to show you how to make honey, garlic, shrimp, and cauliflower for your meal tonight. Okay, so hold on. We're going to get into it. Give me a second. Okay, so here are the things that we're going to need to make our honey, garlic, shrimp, broccoli, and cauliflower. So I have 2 pounds of jumbo shrimp, 3 heads of broccoli, and I just cut them and got the florets from it, and 1 head of cauliflower, and I just cut that up to get that ready for us. Now, we're going to add rice to this meal, but I'm be honest, I can't make jasmine rice that well, and I like jasmine rice. So we're going to make this quick and simple tonight and do this boil in the bag jasmine rice. Okay? That's what we're going to do. And we're also going to need our soy sauce, ginger, and our garlic. Okay? So what we need to start making first and foremost is our honey garlic. Okay, so what we're going to add to our honey, I have 2 cups of honey. Okay, and then we're going to take our soy sauce. I have a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and this is actually low sodium because you know soy sauce can be very salty, and we're going to add that into our honey. Okay, so remember, we're making our honey garlic sauce. And then now I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to add that in. And a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, because ginger can be strong. So we're going to add that in as well. And we're going to give this a nice mix up so everything is nice and combined. Just like that. We want to get everything nicely combined in there. And then once everything is combined, then you can kind of taste that to make sure that this is the right combination of what you want. But I tell you, with this garlic and this ginger in there, it smells wonderful. But I think I may add just a little bit more ginger, because this is kind of an Asian dish, so we want to get that good ginger taste in there as well. So we'll just put a little bit more. Remember, I already did a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm going to do another dash, just like that. A dash of ginger in there. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. And get that mixed up real good. And this is your sauce. This is all you need. This is your sauce right here. This is it. And just mix that up really good. Okay. So now that we have that mixed up, we want to put in a big bowl. And I have my big bowl right here. We want to go ahead. Let me move some of this out of my way. And we're going to put our cauliflower and our broccoli in here together. Okay? And then we're going to pour some of this mixture. Now you don't want to use all of your mixture because you need it for the rest of your dish. Okay? Okay, there we go. And we're just going to kind of mix that around in there. Just like that. I see a lot of that fell to the bottom. And that's okay, because we're just going to mix this up and try to get everything coated. Our cauliflower and our broccoli coated in here. Okay? Just like that. Get that all coated up in here. as much as we can. So we got that in there. And actually, and remember to wash your hands, because why? Your hands are dirty, and before you cook, you want to make sure you have clean hands. I've already cleaned my hands, and I say it all the time. Don't be nasty. Wash your hands, okay? So I'm going to go in there with my hands because I really want to get all of this broccoli and cauliflower coated up really, really well. And it smells really good. So I know this is going to be a great dish. And you see it's getting nicely coated. You see that? That's what we want. Our broccoli is coated. Just like this. And I have my boil in the bag rice on. That only takes 10 minutes. Just like that. Okay? And so before we go ahead and cook our cauliflower and broccoli, we are going to add some of this sauce to the raw shrimp. Okay? Just like that. And you have some sauce left over. And we're going to use that for later. Okay? And we're just going to let that get mixed up in there. Okay, so remember I put my honey garlic sauce in here, and we're just going to mix it up a little bit. Just like that. You put your top on there and you mix it up a little bit. Okay? Just like that. So now we're going to turn this stove on, and we are going to start cooking our broccoli and cauliflower. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add just a little bit more soy sauce in here. Because I think it needs just a little bit more soy sauce. And I am going to mix that around. And we are going to let everything cook nicely together in here. And I kind of have it on a high heat. So we're going to let this cook like this. And this is just broccoli and cauliflower. It doesn't take that long, but we're going to let it cook. Okay? And I'm just going to stir it up just to make sure everything is coated properly. And once this gets cooked, and we don't want our broccoli or cauliflower to be mushy. Okay? So we still want some firmness to it. Okay? So I'm going to let this cook for a little bit, and we'll be ready. Okay, so as you can see, our broccoli and cauliflower have cooked up nicely into our nice honey garlic sauce. Now what I did do a little differently, I did add a little bit of red pepper flakes, and then for my shrimp, I used some Old Bay just to season it up a little bit. Now we're going to add our shrimp into our broccoli and cauliflower mix and let that cook. And it's not going to take the shrimp long to cook, because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. And there we go. You see it's cooking up nicely already. And we're just going to let that cook. And it smells really delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. It's a little take on an Asian recipe. And, you know, that's why I use that jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice because it has this nice aroma to it. So, yeah, we're going to let this shrimp cook up. And you see, it doesn't take long. You see the shrimp is cooking up already. It does not take long for that to cook. Just like that. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You know, I like to show you recipes that anyone can do. And these are great recipes to cook with the kids, you know, because this is a simple, easy recipe, you know. And it's healthy. You got your broccoli, your cauliflower, and your shrimp in there. Oh, this is delicious. Oh. And it has a little bit of heat from that, from the red pepper flakes. Yeah. So this is really good. So I'm gonna finish letting this cook, and then I'm gonna plate it up for you, and you'll see what we have in the end. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is our shrimp, our honey shrimp and our honey garlic shrimp and broccoli and cauliflower meal. It looks delicious, it smells delicious, and it's piping hot. So go ahead and make you some. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.